Ever wondered why pregnancy seems like a roller coaster of emotions? One minute you're overjoyed and glowing. The next, you're grappling with a whirlwind of discomforts and cravings. But what if the journey could be filled with more smiles than sighs? Today we dive into how to make pregnancy a fun and easy experience. Here are 12 tips to add a splash of joy to your 9-month adventure. 1. Take advantage of help when you need it. Remember, it's perfectly okay to ask for assistance, whether it's running errands or just needing someone to talk to. 2. Do nesting your way. Whether it's painting the nursery or organizing baby clothes, make it a fun project that reflects your personal style. 3. Choose clothing that's comfortable for you. Embrace maternity wear that makes you feel good and looks great. Comfort doesn't have to compromise style. 4. Revel in your belly. Yes, your body is changing, but it's also performing a beautiful miracle. Take a moment each day to connect with your growing baby. 5. Take some time to do inner work. Meditation, reading, or simply reflecting can significantly lift your spirits and keep you grounded. 6. Book a prenatal massage. This is not just an indulgence, it's about taking care of your body, which is working overtime right now. 7. Try some healthy habits. Eating well and gentle exercising like yoga or walking can boost your mood and energy levels. 8. Enjoy your heightened senses. Foods might taste better and smells might be more distinct. Savor these new experiences. 9. Spice up your sex life. Intimacy can be wonderfully fulfilling during pregnancy, enhancing your connection with your partner. 10. Lean on your partner. Share your thoughts, fears, and joys. This journey is a shared adventure, and support from your partner can be incredibly comforting. 11. Discover your baby's personality. Feel those kicks and wiggles? They're signs of your baby's growing character inside you. 12. Embrace your changing body. Every new curve is part of the incredible process of bringing a new life into the world. 13. Focus on the positives. Each day might bring new challenges, but also new joys. Keep your eye on the beautiful outcome. 14. Know that tears are part of the journey. It's okay to have moments of overwhelm. Accepting them helps you move through them with grace. In summary, while pregnancy comes with its set of challenges, there are countless ways to foster joy and ease during this special time. Embrace support, cherish your body's strength, and make space for the emotional highs and lows. By focusing on these positive practices, you can transform your pregnancy experience into one of excitement and tender memories. Here's to making the most of this incredible journey.